Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to show battery percentage on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, displaying the battery percentage provides users with a more accurate representation of their device remaining battery life. This information allows users to gauge how much usage time they have left before needing to recharge their device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Next, navigate to the battery option within the settings menu. Okay, scroll down within the battery settings until you locate the show battery percentage option. Well, next, toggle the settings to the on position to enable the display of the battery percentage on your device. Okay, so by following these steps, you have successfully activated the feature that shows the battery percentage on your device. And also, this settings provides you with a more precise indication of your device remaining battery life, allowing for better battery management and awareness of when a recharge may be necessary. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show battery percentage on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.